Hi guys, welcome. This is Wwe Solana coin. Powerful. Wwe Solana coin has been launched right now. So get ready and grab yours quickly. We are just trying to deploy all the airdrops. So quick and get yours. Quick and get yours. Make sure you buy some early stage. You see, WWE is having some about 15 billion or 20 billion followers. And remember, this token is going to blow your mind if you quick and get yours. This is how you can get. Let's go to X. When you go to X, you search for WWE Solana coin and you tap on the menu. What you see is this is how the page look like. This is how the page look like. This is pom.fan.coin. The Telegram channel is there. You can join. And the address is here. Token address is here. You can copy the token address. When you copy the token address, go to your wallet, whether Phantom or anywhere you can use Solana to buy. So when you go, just search for paste the contact address to the search bar. It automatically appear so that you can buy, so that you can buy. So don't worry. This is my Phantom wallet, and I had the search bar. I've placed this thing here and search. You see, it will give you WWE Solana coin. So you click on it. The price, it doesn't show here. Don't worry, it's still working. We are working on it and it will appear. You will see it's underground. This is where you need to buy. If you buy it in this stage, you will not lost because you won't use much money to buy. $5 can even give you 1 million coin. $10 can even give you 2 million coin. So when the price starts rising up, your $5 and $10 can earn you millions of dollars, or thousands of dollars. This is how. So you can swap this tutorial. I'm not going to swap. So any Solana you want, you hit. So you swap. When you hit swap, I have small Solana, so it cannot go through. So I've already buy 1.2 million. So you too can buy some and introduce to your friend. You see, I don't have enough Solana. That's why. So don't worry about the price. It soon start going up with the price and you'll be earning something. Get into it quickly and quick. Join the Telegram group, Discord, and the WhatsApp group, all the media channels. Join them. Their airdrop is on the way. So try. If you don't have this one, you can't get the airdrop. So make sure you have a little. You buy $1 or just 50 cents so that when it comes, you hit on it. You take a receive, copy the receive, and you send to them. They are on the Twitter page. They will give you amount of Solana. Let me see how much is it. You don't know. So the 1.2 million I bought it cost me only $5. So it means the price is in a good position to move up. So try and get yours, launch yours. Facebook, everything, they are there. So try and get yours, your Solana coin today with WWE. And when WWE endorse this one, they are working on it. When they endorse it, they can use this channel, they can use this coin to buy ticket to watch WWE matches. This is very powerful. This is very powerful. So join them. They are everywhere. Discord, Instagram, Twitter, everywhere. They are there. They are coming. So try and buy yours quickly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow. Just join the Telegram group and you get all the updates.